Good morning, everyone. This is Rajiv from Student Classes. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while that I was not posting my videos. I was busy in a few projects. Okay, so today I'm here to discuss this particular question. This was one of the most controversial questions of class 10th CBSE, right? Over here in this particular question, people were claiming that multiple options were correct. Let's see and analyze whether the allegation which was put forward that the multiple options were correct and CBSE has done these type of mistakes in most of the questions. So let's see whether the allegation which was put forward by the students was correct or not. Let's analyze this question and then we will see that what best can be done with this particular question. Okay, so over here, the quadratic equation given as 9x square plus 8kx plus of 16 is equals to 0, and in this particular question roots are what? Real and equal, and we need to figure out what is the value of k, right? We got the options as 3 minus 3 minus 4 and 3 by 2. Let's see that what can be done in this particular question. Okay, so before moving to this real and equal, on a broader aspect, we can see that this particular thing can be written as 3x square, right, plus 8kx plus the 16 can be written as square of 4 and is equals to 0. Now, what we need to figure out over here is this k, right? So this k can be taken as positive and can be taken as negative. We will see that are we getting the value of k as positive or negative. Okay, so this particular thing, if on a broader aspect, this particular thing can be written as 3x plus of 4 whole square depending upon the value of k if the value of k is positive, and this particular equation is once again written as 3x minus of 4 depending upon the value of k if the value of k is negative. So if I'll expand this particular expression, this can be written as 9x square plus 24x plus of 16 is equals to 0. And in this particular expression, which will be converted into equation, again this can be written as 9x square minus of 24x plus of 16 is equals to 0. Now if I will compare this first part, it means I'm going to compare this 24x and this 8kx. So I can easily write that this 8k is what it is equals to 24, and in this particular case I can write this 8k is what it is equals to minus of 24. So obviously the value of k is what? It will be 3, and over here the value of k, it will be what? Minus of 3. Up till now, using this particular case, this particular method, I got the value of k as both positive and negative. Now moving towards the second case, that is the traditional way. The roots are what? Roots are real and equal, right? Real means it can carry both rational or irrational values. Okay, now what is the condition for having roots real and equal? So we can say that b square is what it is equals to 4ac. Okay, so over here, In this particular quadratic equation, value of b is what it is, 8k, okay, whole square is equals to, now 4 into a can be written as 9 and c can be written as 16. Okay, so again over here, this can be written as 64k square, 4 into 9 into 64. I'm not going to multiply these because the 16 fours are 64 can easily be removed. So k square can be written as 9. So over here we can write k is what, plus and minus of 3. So again, in through this particular method, we can say that value of k is what it is, positive as well as negative, right? Now, in this particular form, right, one more way of doing this. I am just visualizing the things, right? So this 8k, if somebody will say that I will move like this, so this 4 into 9 into 16, so this particular thing can be written as 2 into 3 into 4 whole square, okay, or this particular thing can be written as minus of 2 minus of 3 and minus of 4 whole square, right? So this particular 8k square, so if I will compare both the equations, so I will be getting 8k square is equals to 2 into 3 into 4 square. So from this we'll get the value of k as 3, and if I will compare over here, so this 8k square, I will get the value as what? You can see over here again it will be minus 2 into minus 3 into minus of 4. Okay, so 8k become minus 2 into minus 3 whole square over here. I forgot to write, and minus 4. This minus 4 minus 2 nullifies 8. So 8 is equals to, so k is equals to minus of 3. So over here, in this particular case 2, we saw that we got the value of k as both plus of 3 and minus of 3. So I am requesting you people that whenever you people are solving any sort of quadratic equation, please go through the concept and check all the possible availability, whether which like what option is correct and what is incorrect. That's why I told you that this question was a bit controversial. I don't know what answer should a student put to get the full marks, but according to me, both the values, that is 3 and minus 3, were equally correct for this particular question. Thank you, and keep on supporting me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.